I'm in the process of getting my money back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, is everybody doing good today? Right, so this video is a rant, okay? Like, your girl is not happy. I had the worst experience, okay, shopping on Aliexpress, and I just wanted to voice my opinion. Well, not my opinion, I'm not happy, I'm mad. So I just want to like say it how it is. Somebody trying to come for me, okay? So I'm gonna tell them that I am the queen of commerce or pants. Yes. I went ahead to buy hair on Aliexpress, okay? I was looking around looking for hair, a good vendor that has got the kind of hair that I want, that will blend naturally with my hair. I could not see anything. Then as I was about to try Amazon, then I found this vendor who sort of like had the sort of hair that I was after, you know. I got a bit convinced. I was like, okay, I mean, I bought from Aliexpress before, it ain't no problem. I'm always generally happy with the hair that I buy there. I said, you know, what can go wrong? Let me give these people a go. I mean, it said it was some kind of Mongolian. Is it Mongolian? Yeah, Mongolian kinky straight wave. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all because I got it here with me because I'm not happy at all. So basically what had happened was I went ahead and I ordered this hair. It was quite relatively expensive, I'm not gonna lie, because I thought, okay, because I do want a good quality hair. So I decided to like pay the price. Literally for a 100-gram bundle I paid £45. That's a lot of that's a lot of money for, you know, that size of hair. Okay, so when the hair arrived, and it did on the picture as well, it looked like it's dark. I'm gonna insert the picture somewhere so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, it looked like the hair was dark, you know, like black, because if you know me, you know I love black color because my hair is black. You know, I'm about black color on my hair. So I wanted the hair to be black so I don't need to go through the stress of dyeing the hair and all this stuff, you know. But then when the hair arrived, oh my god, this hair came. First of all, it wasn't dark. Second of all, the hair was already shedding. Third of all, they sent me a shiny, guys, a shiny, silky texture, completely different from what they were selling. I was so mad, so damn mad. Yeah, I'm gonna go American on them. Because listen, I'm so mad. Their company finna fold up because they really pissed me off. Like, ain't nobody ever pissed me off like this, and I get so mad at them. Okay, so yeah, these people, they sent me this hair so bad quality from what they had put on their platform. And I contacted these people and I said, what kind of nonsense y'all send me here so? What we get from the woman, she just come up out of nowhere and just start telling me that I dyed the damn hair. Oh my god. I want a black hair color and you accusing me of dyeing the hair T1B27 or some god knows what bomber clat color that is. Listen, I want a black hair. My hair is black. Why do I want a bright color to contrast with my hair? It's not like it's umber, you know. It's completely a full color. No, I don't wear that color. I mean, that color, don't get me wrong, it ain't too bad, but I like black. Very much so. This vendor, I do not want that color that you're talking about. I want a black hair, and that's the reason why I went ahead to buy it on your page, because I thought that the hair was black because of, you know, the product that you put up, you know, the way you displayed it there. It made the hair look really the color that I wanted, and it was bulky. You know how the hair comes in looking bulky, but then I went for it because it wasn't so bulky. It was like what's the word, not so bulky, not so thin. So that was like exactly what I wanted. So I thought, right, okay, I'll give this a go and buy it. And this woman just kept accusing me. of dyeing the hair the color that I do not want. So I'm gonna show you guys the hair because I literally had to cut the hair into two, and I tried to dye the hair to see if it will actually even turn black or anything, which goes to show that it's not even a real hair. Literally, this is the color that I've dyed that is supposed to be black, okay? That's supposed to like go with my hair right now. Let me just show you. Where's the sun? Come on, the sun, where you at? So basically, this color here is supposed to go with this texture here, or even whatever have you. Have you seen how silky this hair is? Okay, compared to this, what I'm wearing right now is a different vendor from eBay, okay? And tell that my hair is blended in this. If I straighten my hair properly, it will actually like blend properly. But this is what this woman sent me. This is the one I dyed. Guys, it refused to even dye. Like the color, the black refused to penetrate. This is the original one they sent me. Can you see there's no difference? There is no difference whatsoever. As it is right now, the hair is still the same. No dye whatsoever. All my effort was for nothing. And my money was just wasted buying dye. Now, this is the vendor. This is the vendor, okay? You need to see this vendor properly so you know not to go to their shop. It's called Big Sophie Hair. It said natural 100% human hair. Like, no. Another thing I have to say. You want to say hello?
Boy.
Say hello, guys. Say I'm very naughty today. Right. Say hello then. Say hi, guys. Very naughty. And this is the vendor. Big Sophie Hair. This hair is nothing like natural real hair, okay? I'm just mad because of the price I paid for it. And to make the matter worse, when the hair arrived, it said on the DHL packaging that it was synthetic hair, guys. I confronted this seller and I said, why does the package say synthetic? So you actually are selling me synthetic hair for human hair? And she's like, oh no, it's because, you know, we have to cut down the price that we ship the item to you, just so it can be cheap for us. So we end up, you know, lying to DHL that, you know, what we're selling is synthetic. Now I know what the truth is. It in fact is synthetic, because human hair will bleach, okay, or dye. No matter how much you apply, obviously, the dye on it, it should, no matter how long it takes, even if it's 5 minutes, it should be able to alter the color somehow. These refuse to alter, the color refused to change. And the worst part of it is that the hair is silky. So your girl is so mad. I am so mad, okay? I went ahead and I opened the dispute on AliExpress, okay? She somehow admitted that, yeah, they sent me the wrong hair. But then she went ahead to say, obviously when I dyed the hair, because you know the reason why she said I dyed the hair, because I took a picture of the hair on the sun, and the sun reflection made it look brown or whatever color she said I dyed it. That was like so stupid, right? I explained to her like 100 times I did not dye this hair. She was adamant. She insisted I dyed the hair. And then when I opened the dispute, she lied to the people and told them that I dyed the hair. And the people, first of all, they wanted to offer me half of the money. I was like, no, this is not even worth it. I'm not going to use the hair. Like I said, I'm not using it. It's sitting here. I don't need it. I need my money back. This is no good. So they went ahead, paid me or gave me half of the money. I was like, hell freaking to the no. I want my full refund back. And I was willing to send the hair back, but they wouldn't let me send it back. I asked them like many times, send me your address and whatever, like, you know, however way I can send the hair back so I could get my full refund back. They didn't answer me. They were just ignorant, you know, like ignored me like they didn't hear what I said or whatever the case is. This boy is just too loud. He won't let me rant in peace. So yeah, they ignored me. They didn't want me to send the hair back. and that was an alarming situation. Then the dispute went ahead and told me that if I want to send the hair back, I would have to pay my own money literally to send it across to them. And then I checked how much this was going to cost me, guys. 20 quid to send this back, 20 pounds to send it back to wherever it came from. I wasn't about to make that much loss. I've already lost the hair. I'm not going to use the hair. Plus, I'm going to have to add another 20 quid to send it back just to get what I paid for. Like, oh my God, I was just so furious. And I did even bring more proof for them to see that I didn't dye the hair, or the hair was just not what I want, what I requested, or what they had on their page. And, you know, they didn't answer me. Aliexpress, what you call it, dispute team or whatever, they just left that stuff all sitting there for 3 days. After 3 days, they were like, oh, case closed. I was like, what? You didn't look at my disputes, like my side of the story. You just concluded on what you heard from these people who are just literally going about deceiving people. So what I did was I went ahead and appealed for the dispute to be reviewed again, because their judgment was, you know, partial. They were not transparent, and I was not satisfied with that. So I went ahead and appealed it. So currently I'm waiting for the appeal to go through. This has happened like about 3 weeks ago. So I had to go ahead and find me a new vendor on eBay who had a really beautiful hair, exactly what I wanted, and really cheap, guys, really cheap. Don't sleep on eBay. I paid what, £12 for a bundle of the hair that I wanted. Listen, guys, no shedding. No shedding, just one. It's probably my hair. Yeah, that's my natural hair. No shedding, no tangle. This hair is amazing. So I got 3 bundles, and this is what I'm wearing right now. As for this one, I can't use it. So I also called my bank. The reason why I wanted to make this video mainly is to let you know, if you have this kind of situation and the judges or whatever, the dispute team decided in their favor, this is what you can do. Contact your bank, tell them everything, show them the proof and everything. Your bank will get your money back. So basically, I contacted my bank, I explained everything. So they told me the things that I need to do, the steps that I need to follow. I did it, and I'm in the process of getting my money back. So at the end of the day, they're losers, okay? If they're gonna come on Aliexpress and start deceiving people, selling products that doesn't actually match their description, then they should be shamed. It should be shame on them. They should be shamed, literally. They should be called out. So basically, that's it. You know, I just wanted to come out here and let you guys know, don't be deceived. Take note of this terrible vendor called Big Sophie. As you can see right there under that, Big Sophie. Their hair is nothing human. There's no human about their hair. What is that? They come here and they say the hair can dye. Okay, dye, bleach, and perm. You can't do this to this hair. You cannot. This hair is nonsense. This hair is some kind of horsetail fiber they got from God knows somewhere and coming to sell to me to tell me how it's human. It ain't no human. It ain't good quality. It's not worth the money. And if they're selling this to people, they should be shamed. So guys, that's about it really. Enough of my ranting, but I just wanted to let you know this is what happened to me on my ordeal to get good hair. I ended up getting nonsense, but I ended up getting a good one from eBay. Thank God for that. And the vendor was really nice and supportive and understanding, and really, you know, good customer service. So I'll put their link as well on the description box if you're interested to, you know, get to them and get the hair that you wanted. Yeah, that's it pretty much. As for Aliexpress, I don't know if I'll be buying hair from there again, because they've opened my eyes. They've really shown me their true colors. And you know the worst part, yeah? I contacted this, because when I contacted them on the Aliexpress, they didn't answer me back. I keep messaging, no response. So I took because they leave their phone number. I tried to call them. I sent a WhatsApp message just to explain to them. They blocked me, y'all. They blocked me. I found them on Instagram. They blocked me. Everywhere I tried to message them, they blocked me. That's how mean, that's how bad, that's how unprofessional these people were to me. They blocked me off. They didn't want to communicate with me. They didn't want to resolve the issue. This woman, whoever it was that was speaking to me, insisted and adamantly decided that I dyed the hair. How did I dye the hair when the hair won't even take the damn dye? How? Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.